Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, student. How are you? I hope you are fine with your family. Welcome you in Pakistan International School Thai Virtual Learning System Session 2020. This is grade 2, subject mathematics. This is video number 27, and I am your teacher, Mr. Imtiaz. Today, we will do page number 72, 73, and 74 of the book, and these pages about the multiplication. Page number 72, multiplication, converting ones, converting 10. Page number 73, multiplication, converting tens and ones. And page number 74, commutative property. So in last video number 26, I taught you page number 69, 70, and 71. And these pages were also about the multiplications of tens and 1. Page number 69, very simple, no conversions, just multiply two digits number with one digit number. And page number 70 was about explanation. Then page number 71, converting ones. Mean here, when we multiply ones with ones, so if the answer is more than 9, mean 10, 11, 12, then we convert 1 into tens. Okay, so today topic also like page number 71. Yeah, if you have done page number 71, then it is easy today. Okay, I hope all of you have done the previous homework. So let us start. From page number 72. So this is page number 72, multiplication, converting ones, converting tens. Okay, so if you have two digits number, then you convert only one. But if you have three digits number, so sometimes you convert tens into 100. Ones will convert into tens and tens will convert into 100. Okay, boys. So question number 1, complete this. So look, part number A, it is already done. 4 fours are 6. No, read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So we write 6 here and 1 will go to add into tens. It means we are converting ones into tens. So 1 will go to add into tens. So we write 1 a little above. Okay. Then again multiply 4 with 2. 4 twos are, read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. 8 and then plus 1, 9. Okay. Then 4 ones are 4. So it's mean first number consists three digits, 4 2 1. Okay, 1 2 4. Okay, and second numbers consist only one digit. So we multiply second number with the first number. First we multiply with ones, then tens, and then 100, one by one. Okay, first you multiply second number with first number. So first we start from the right side with the first we multiply with ones, then tens, and then hundreds. Okay. B part. 5 threes are. So read the table of 5 or read the table of 3, no problem. Read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, and 5 threes are 15. So write 5 here, right? 5 here, and 1 will go to add into 10, right? 1 right a little above, then again multiply 5 with 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6. For 5 ones are 5. Okay, so it's mean we multiply 5 first with ones. What is ones here? 3. With tens, it means 1. With hundreds, 1. Okay, so 5 threes are 15. Write 5 here. 1 will go to add into tens. So 1, write 1 a little above. First multiply. 5 ones are 5, and then add 1. 5 ones are 5 plus 1, 6, and 5 ones are 5. C part. 3 fours are, read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So write 2 here, 2 and 1 will go to add into tens. So 3 again, multiply 3 with 2. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6 plus 1 plus 1, 7. Okay, and then again multiply 3 with 3. 3 threes are 9. First with 4, then with 2, then 3, 1 by 1. 3 fours are 12, 1 right here to add into 10. 3 twos are 6. First multiply, then add. Okay, 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7, and 3 threes are 9. D part. 228 multiply 2. 228, 228 mean 200, 2 tens and 8 ones. So 228 plus multiply 2. So 2 eights are, read the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. Write 1 here. 2 twos are 4 plus 1, 5, and 2 twos are 4. Okay, so this is the conversions. We are converting ones into tens. A part. 316 multiply 2. So 2 6 are, read the table of 2 again. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, and 2 6 are 12. So write 2 here, 12, 2 here, and 1 will go to add into tens. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3, and 2 threes are 6. Okay, 2 6 are 12. 1 will go to add into tens. Right here 1 plus multiply. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3, and last 2 threes are 6. F part. 224 multiply 4. So 4 fours are, in the table of 4. 4 fours are, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So write 6 here, 6, and then 1 will go to add into next to into tens. The 4 twos are, read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9. 4 twos are 8 plus 1, 9, and 4 twos are 8. So what is the answer? 896. G part. 2 fives. So read up table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Okay, so look wise, remember this one. When we multiply 2 digits and the next after that next number is 0, then no need to write 1 here. Okay, you write complete answer. 2 fives are 10, because if you write here 1, then again 2 0 or 0, and plus 1, so answer will come same. So 2 5s are 10, you write 10 here, and now left the 0. Okay, no need to multiply 0. Then go to end. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. H part. 127 multiply 7. 127 multiply 7. 7 7. Read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 sevens are 49. Write 9 here and 4 will go to add into tens. 7 twos. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14 plus 4, 15, 16, 17, 18. Write 8 here and again 1 will go to add into 100. 7 ones are 7 plus 1, 8. Okay. So now look what's the difference between this question and the previous questions. So here first we convert ones into tens and then tens into 100. Okay, boys. Very good. Now look at the sum. 262 multiply 3. First multiply the ones with the multipliers. So 3 is the multipliers. We multiply 3 with the ones. And what is ones here? 2. So 2 into 3, 6. Write 6 here. Next, these are step by step same. Multiply the tens with the multiplier. 6 into 3, 18. Too many tens. Okay, too many tens. So write 8 here and 1 will go to add into 10. So convert tens into 100. So write 1 here. And lastly, multiply the hundreds with the multiplier, mean 3 into 2 into 3, 6. Remember to add the 100 converted from the tens. 6 plus 1, 7. The answer is 786. Okay. So look this one. First we look here, come here. So first 3 twos are 6, 3 6 are 18. 18, write 8 here, and this 10 will convert because if the answers, remember, simple, remember, if the answer is more than 9, I mean the answer is 10, 11, 12. So we write this first digits and the second digits convert into the next. Mean if there is ones, convert into tens. If there is tens, convert into hundreds. Okay. So next page, we will do this practice. Page number 73. Multiplication, converting tens and ones. Complete these. Question number 2. What is the question number 2? Complete these. HTO. H mean 100, T mean tens, O mean ones. So 161 multiply 6. So 6 ones are 6. 6 6 are 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 36. 6 fives are 30 and 6 sixes are 36. So write 6 here and 3 will go to add into 100. It means we are converting tens into 100. So 6 are 36. Write 6 here and 3 will go to add into 100. So 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 9. Okay. Now B part. 3 twos are, read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So no conversion, write 6 here. Again, multiply 3 fives are, read the table of 3 again. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So here convert 1 into 100. So write 1 here. Okay. So now multiply 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. Understand? C part. 183 multiply 3. So 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 3 eights are, read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 27. 1 3 sevens are 21 and 3 eights are 24. So write 4 here and 2 will go next into 100 to add into 100. Write 2 here a little above. Okay. So again multiply 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. Okay. So answer is 549. So what is the process? First you multiply the here what is the multiplier? 3 is a multiplier. So first multiply 3 with ones mean with 3, then tens and the last one by one. Okay. D part 172 multiply 4. So 4 twos are 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Write 8 here. 4 sevens are 8. No, read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 sevens are 28. Okay, 28. Write 8 here and 2 will go to add into hundreds. It means to converting tens into hundreds. So 4 ones are 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, so what is the answer? 688. E part 141 multiply 7. So 7 ones are 7. 7 fours are here will 7 fours are 28. You write 8 here and 2 carry will go to add into 100. 7 ones are 7 plus 2 9. Okay, so answer is 987. F part 273 multiply 2. So what is the multiplier here? 2. 2 is multiplying with 273. So 1 by 1 we multiply. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 sevens are 14. 1 will go to add into 100. 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5. G part 192 multiply 4. 192 multiply 4. So 4 twos are 8. Write 8 here. 4 nines are 6. No, read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. So 6 here and 3 will go to add into 100. 4 ones are 4 plus 3, 7. 170 multiply 3. So 30, what I told you, yes, I told you that when we multiply any number with 0, the answer will come 0. So 30, 0. 3 sevens are, read the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21. So write 1 here. First digit you will write, and second will go to add into next. Here 2. So 3 ones are 3 plus 2, 5. Okay. Now complete these. It may be necessary to convert both tens and ones. Here, not all here. I think only we are converting ones into tens or tens into 100. But here it may be both. First we convert ones into tens and then tens into 100. So A part 143 multiply 6. So 6 threes are, read the table of 6, 6 on the 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18. So write 8 here and 1 will go to add into next into tens. 6 fours are, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24 plus 1, 25. So write 5 here and 2 again will convert into 100 and 6 ones are 6 plus 2, 8. Okay. So it's mean first we convert ones into tens and then tens into 100. B part 5 fours are, read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20. So write here 0 and 2 will go here to add into tens. So 5 fives are 25 plus 2, 27. Write 7 here. Again 2 will go into add into 100 now. 5 ones are 5 plus 2, 7. So what is the answer? 770. C part 264 multiply 3. So 3 is a multiplier which is multiplying with 264. 1 by 1, first ones multiply with ones, then tens and then 100. 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 1 will go to add into tens. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18 plus 1, 19. Again, 1 will convert from tens to hundreds, and 3 twos are 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. D part 109 multiply 8. So 8 nines are, read the table of 8. Look boys, all table are used here. So you must learn, memorize all the table from 2 to 9. So read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 6 are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, and 8 nines are 72. And why I write 72 whole? Because 8 9 72, because after this 0, so now left 0 and then multiply 8 ones are 8. E part 355 multiply 2. 2 fives are 10. 1 will go to add into 10. Again 2 fives are 10 plus 1 11. Again 1 convert from tens to 100. So 2 threes are 6 plus 1 7. Okay. So 710 our answer. F 311 multiply 3. This is very easy. No conversion here. So 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. Here is no conversion. G part 120 multiply 5. So 5 0 0. 5 twos or 10. 1 will go to add into 100. So 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6. So 125 multiply 5, answer is 600. H part 129 multiply 6. Boys, if you know the table, the questions are very easy. If you do not know, so it may be difficult. So 6 nines, read the table of 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 six are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, and 6 nines are 54. So write 4 here, and what will convert, right, to convert here 5. Okay, so 6 twos are 12, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 plus 5, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. And then again 1 will convert from tens to hundreds, so I write 1 here. So 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, answer is 774. iPod 199 multiply 5. 5 nines are, read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 10, 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, and 5 nines are 45. Okay, this is 45. Write 5 here, and 4 will go to add into 10. Again 5 nines are 45, and plus 4, 46, 47, 48, 49. Right, put 9 right, and again 4 will convert from now tens to 100, and 5 ones are 5 plus 4, 6 7 8 9. Okay, so write 9 here. So answer is 995. J part 300, 300. 3 sevens are 21. Write 1 here, and 2 will go to add into hundreds. 3 twos are 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, so answer is 810. Very easy. 0, 599. I told you, when we multiply 0 with any number, small, big, no problem, with 2, 10, 30, 100, 1000, million, trillions, answer will be 0. So now 0 multiply 9, 0. 0 multiply 9, 0. 0 multiply 5, 0. So answer is 0, 0, 0 means 0. You can write 1 0, no problem. And the last part of this page, 175 multiply 5. 5 into 5. Read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. Okay, so write 5 here, and 2 will go to add into tens. 5 sevens are 35, and plus 2 37. Now here 3 will go to add into 10, 100. 5 ones are 5 plus 3 6 7 8. Okay, write 8 here. So 875. Okay, so this is our answer. So in this way, you can multiply uh, numbers with the converting of tens and ones. Okay, very easy. When very easy, when you know the table. If you do not know table, it is difficult. So next boys, page number 74. This is not page number 74, but this is about the page number 74 because the page number 74 we discuss commutative property. Okay, so now first I tell you what is commutative property. The commutative property states that the numbers on which we operate can be moved or swept from their position without making any difference to the answer. The property holds for addition and multiplication, but not for subtraction and division. Okay, so this property only apply on addition and multiplication. Here we apply on multiplication, but you can apply on addition also, but not apply on subtraction and division. Look this one, 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 and 3 plus 2 equal to 5. Look this, first I write 2 plus 3, then 3 plus 2. So answer remains same, no change in answer. Okay, so you can write, you can, this is, look, this is the, I move the places, I write 2 in place of 3 and 3 in place of 2. I mean I swap, change the places. Again in multiplication, 2 into 3 6, 3 into 2 6, so no difference. Okay, so look this addition here, 1 2 3 4 green, then 1 2 3 yellow, so 4 plus 3 7. Okay, 4 plus 3, now yellow come first, 1 2 3 first, and then green 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4, 3 plus 4 7. So in both cases, in both situations, the answer will remain same, no change in the answer if we change the places or swap the number from 1 to 2 and 2. Okay, swap or move their position. In multiplication, same. Look this one, this is in 1 2 into 6 12. This is the answer, this is the 2 into 6 12 and 6 into 2 12. If you write 2 first, answer, and see 6 second, answer 12. If you write 6 first and 2 second, answer 12. It's mean no change in the answer and when I change the position. Okay, but you cannot apply this commutative property on subtraction and division. If you apply, the answer will change. So you can only apply this property on addition and multiplication. So commutative property with respect to addition and commutative property with respect to multiplication. And today we will do the commutative property with respect to multiplication. Okay, this page is very easy. To multiply two numbers, the numbers can be put in any order, the answer will remain the same. Okay, look this one. To multiply two numbers, the numbers can be put in any order, the answer will remain the same. Look this one, 5 into 3 15, 3 into 5 15. Okay, so no change in the answer. But look, I change the position. First I write 5 into 3 and then 3 into, but answer same, 15 15. So no, look, 5. Now complete this one, 5 into 10. So read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are, read the table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50. So write 50 here. So 10 fives again same. So it's answer here same. No need to read the table again. Okay. 8 fours. So read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4. First I read the table of 8. Okay. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, and 8 fours are 32. Okay. 4. Now read the table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 six are 24, 4 seven are 28, 4 eights are 32. So in both situations, the answer is same. C part, 9 into 6. So read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. And 9 six are 54. Okay. So here 6 is given to second. What is the second number? 9. Right here 9. Okay. Answer is also given. So 9 sevens are. So read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. 9 fives are 45. 9 six are 54. And 9 sevens are 63. So write 63 here. Now read the table of 7. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. 7 fours are 28. 7 fives are 35. 7 six are 42. 7 sevens are 49. 7 eights are 56. 7 nines are 63. Okay. Now read the table of 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70, 10 eights are 80, 10 nines are 90. So here 9 given, it's mean you write 10 here. So 8, read the table of 8. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 50, 8 fives are 40, 8 six are 48, 8 six are 48, 8 sevens are 56, 8 eights are 64, and 8 nines are 72. 8 nines are 72. So 9 is given, so write 8 here. So 9 8 nines are 72, 9 eights are 72. Now look this, the first number is here given, the second here given, the right 3 here. 9 threes are 27, and here again 9 threes are okay. Look this one, 9 in both same number are given, so it's mean we read the table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. So write 5 here, 5 nines are 45, and 9 fives are 45. Here 7, read the table of 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42. So 6 here, 6 here. Okay. 4 11s are 44. So 11 fours are 44. Okay. 3 12s are, answer is given, 36, and 12 threes are 36. So 10, with the table of 10, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 six are 60, 10 sevens are 70. Oh, okay. And 7 tens are 70. 7 tens are 70. 5 12s are 60, because the here in answer is given 60, and 12 fives, 5 here, right, 5s are 60. 6 6 are, read the table of 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24. So right here 4, 6 4s are 24, and here 4 6 are 24. 11 sevens are 77, because this one is given, and here 7 11s are 77. So this is very easy, but here the practice of commutative property. What is commutative property? So it means when we swap the position of the number, so no change in the answer, no change in the answer. Okay boys, so here also the use of table. So I think today you know, you have now the uh, value of the table. So if you still did not memorize the table, so memorize all the table from 2 to 9 at least. Now your homework, page number 72, 73, 74 in your book. Okay, this is page number 72. This is page number 73. This is page number 74. Okay boys, I hope you will enjoy this video. Take care and stay at home. Allah Hafiz.